right now. You are now tuned in. Pen Crispy. I'm still going.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, CrySTYLE Beauty. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Wonder Woman inspired makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this a big thumbs up before we get started. So I'm going to start priming my eyelids with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. And then blending that out with a damp beauty blender. Alright, so for my eyelids, I'm going to start with Chauffeur. My crease. Alright, then I'm going to go in with my You Had Me at Hello palette by ColourPop. Taking this dark brown shade, which is called Pulling Strings, and putting it on my outer corner. Alright, so for my lid, I'm going to go back into my ColourPop palette, and this is Cute AF. And I'm going to be taking Bling, which is like a off-white color. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking my NYX gel eyeliner and creating my wing. Alright, so now I'm going to pop on these lashes by Miss 3D Lash. Alright, so I'm just going to draw the placement of my crown and then go back to the face. And I'm going to be taking my NYX gel liner. Alright, so now I'm going to create the star in the middle. so now I'm just going to try my best to erase the middle sections, like the middle lines. Take some Vaseline. Alright, so I'm just gonna correct with my LA Girl Pro Concealer and Warm Honey. Alright, now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. And I added my NYX droplets. This is the white shade. I added 2 drops. Now I'm going to highlight with medium beige. Alright, so now I'm going to contour in this shade Toast, and this is a LA Girl Pro Concealer as well. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking my Maybelline foundation powder and contour some more. Just because I want it to be really dark. Like cartoon-like. Alright, so now I'm going to cut my contour with medium beige. Alright, so now I'm going to go back into my eyes with my black eyeliner. So I'm going to be taking this brown shade, which is called DTR, and putting that under on my lash line, on my lower lash line. And I'm going to pull out my lower lashes with my Too Faced mascara. Alright, now I'm going to be taking Candy Gram and putting that in my tear duct. Alright, so I'm just going to contour my nose. I usually don't do this, but since it's more of a cartoon-like makeup look, I'm going to make my nose like really cartoon-like. Alright, so I'm going to add some blush, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me blush, and it is called Wine. I'm also going to highlight with my Wet n Wild highlighter and Golden Flower Crown. Alright, so now I'm going to start on the crown, and I'm going to be taking my NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to be using gold for the crown and then red for the star. I'm going to be taking this and putting it on the crown. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking my glitter. This is gold. Alright, so the crown is done. I didn't get it too much in my hairline because I didn't want to, spend all day getting glitter out of my hair. I just put it as close as possible. And now I'm going to start filling in the star with the red. taking my red. Alright, so now I am going to be putting on a red lipstick, and this is the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick, and it's called Kitten Heels. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give this a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And also turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.